In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign to sign a PDF document quickly and efficiently, all in about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or just need to add a signature to a PDF, Docusign is an incredibly useful tool that simplifies electronic signatures and document management. So let's dive right in. First, we need to visit Docusign's homepage, which can be accessed by navigating to their website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, providing a reliable and secure platform to handle all your document signing needs. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the Log In button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click that and you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Ensure that your username and password are handy so that you can log in smoothly. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your central hub where you can access all the features Docusign has to offer. Familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it before. It's user friendly and designed to streamline your document signing process. Now you're ready to move forward. Once on the homepage, the next step is to select a template. Templates are essentially pre-designed document structures that you can use to save time, especially if you frequently send out similar types of documents. If you have a specific template you know you're going to use, now is the time to select it from the available options. If you're unsure, you can spend a few moments reviewing the templates to find the one that fits your needs. Now with your template ready, it's time to upload the actual PDF document you wish to sign. Move towards the upload option. This is usually located on the page or as a button on the dashboard. Click on upload and a window will pop up, prompting you to choose the PDF file from your computer. Navigate through your files and select the document you intend to sign. Once the file is selected, it will be uploaded into the Docusign environment, ready to be signed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Docusign to sign your PDF documents, ensuring everything is done securely and professionally. Make sure to review everything before you finalize your signatures to prevent any errors. That's it for today's quick tutorial on Docusign. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.